African Mass. Boys and girls, this project should take 2 to 3 art classes to finish. So we're only going to work today to draw our mask. We're not going to work any further than that. The materials that you need for today is a 12 by 18 thicker paper. I've been using cardstock in class because it holds up better. You're going to need a pencil, a mask idea sheet, and it's possible that we might get to the oil pastels or crayons today. So let's just see how far we get. You're going to put your name on the back and fold this into a hot dog fold. Once you're done, locate which side your fold is on. Wherever the fold is, that's where your nose of your mask is going to be. That's the center of the mask. Once the paper is folded in half long ways, you're going to choose a mask. We're going to look at the next slides, and you're going to draw it on one side of your paper using your pencil. Do you see half of my mask is drawn? Make sure that your fold is on the same part as where the nose will be for the mask. Now, this slide and the next slide will have some mask examples for you to copy. If you look closely, I've written where the fold is, so make sure your fold is on the same side. If you like any of these, go ahead and draw one of those on your paper, but let's look at the next slide as well. Here are some additional masks. If you don't like these, just hit rewind and go back to the first one. Now let's move ahead. Make sure that you've drawn these in pencil, so please hit pause before you go to the next section. Once it's drawn in pencil, you need to get a black oil pastel, and you're going to be tracing over every pencil line that you did. Press hard. I can't stress that enough. Press hard, because if you don't, when we go to transfer this to the other side, it will not work, and it'll make your job a lot harder. So please press hard with your oil pastel. Your paper should look like the one on the right when you're done. Now, I want you to open up your mask to the full paper, and you're going to fold it with the mask inside. So it's almost like a taco. With the mask that you just drew, it should be folded in the inside of the taco. And fold it closed, and you're going to take the handles of your scissors and rub over the paper really hard. This is called burnishing, and this will press the oil pastel that you drew onto the other half of the paper. When you're done, you're going to see those transfer lines on the other side, but they're going to be light. You're going to have to trace over them black so that you make each side of your mask match. That's what you're looking at in this picture. I've already gone over the tracings, and now it looks symmetrical. We are going to stop at the last step today because I don't want to start the coloring just yet. We'll finish this next week. So next week, think about some things that you have at home that you could use to add color and decorations to your mask. Bup, bup, ba, dup, bup. Clean up.